crew members, welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew and this edition of Try It Tuesday. Now, I know I already have a Ninja, which I absolutely adore, by the way, but sometimes it's more of a piece of equipment than what I need. So I decided I wanted to order a hand blender, and it's an immersion blender, and because sometimes it just, like I said, the Ninja is awesome. I love it. I can use it for so much, and David had even bought me one where it's got the dough mixing blade, so I can do meatloaf, cookie dough, all sorts of things. Anything that, you know, just totally wears me out. So, immersion blender, unboxing, and testing. Alright, so first of all, we've got our, okay, it'll be a lot lighter than even my mixer. Alright, and then all of this will need to be washed. And then we can test it all out. Why don't we just, oh, that's always a good thing. Instructions. Very good thing. Right. What else? What else? What else? Nice. Got a whisk attachment. That will be good for doing up some egg casserole, scrambled eggs, different things. It could be good for any number of things, actually. Oh, and I like this. Instead of getting the whole blender out when I want a little bit of a smoothie or a milkshake, I believe I've got that handled. So I'm a little tired or something and I want a smoothie or like I said, a milkshake. I can still get one. It was not that much of an effort. So we're going to wash all of this, and then I will be back letting you see how it works for me, what I think of it. So we'll see you back here in a minute. Alright, so I have got my immersion blender all washed, and I am about to use it, and we're going to see how it does. We're going to start with some watermelon. I do like watermelon, and I'm just kind of wondering what maybe squished up watermelon, see if I can make like a watermelon icy. Maybe get it done up so we can make watermelon popsicles. I think all my kids would enjoy that. Help them stay hydrated during the hot summer months. Let's see what it does. Everything has been washed. I have this on the end. Okay, here we go. My first time using it, so all right, that's kind of neat. gonna have to get the hang of this. Oh, these are gonna make great ice pops for the summer. Okay. Well, trial 1 was good. Slow start, but I got it. Gotta learn how to do it. Always a learning curve. So far, so good. Don't go away. We're gonna try it with something else in just a minute. So final result on my 4-in-1 hand blender, the Immersion blender by Willsence. I'm very pleased. It is not going to take the place of my Ninja for heavy duty jobs, but for light jobs, for quick jobs, this has been wonderful. It's easy to pull out, easy to put together, easy to clean, easy to put away. And that's something I really need. I have myasthenia gravis. It's a fatigability disorder. So anything that's going to make preparing healthy meals easier and quicker, it's exactly what I need. So this is awesome. I really like it. When I was out the other day, I actually bought some little popsicle molds, and I had my husband buy a watermelon. So I'm going to see about making some watermelon popsicles. What could be healthier? And a nice fresh juice. Frozen, perfect for a cold day. Looking forward to it. Tennessee gets nice humidity, so that's definitely going to be a plus. Nice quick snack that has no preservatives, no added sugars, so that'll be good for the whole family. I will recommend this to anybody who needs something just quick and easy. Like I said, it's not going to take the place of my heavy-duty Ninja, but that's going to be held in reserve for the bigger jobs. But this does great for the small jobs. Like I said, easy to use, easy to clean up, easy to store. I think this is going to be a good thing. Hope this has been helpful for you. Hope you've gotten some good ideas. Don't forget, if you like this video and like to see more, just click that subscribe button, change it from red to gray. And come back on Tuesdays where we will do some more reviews, more fun activities, more things where we try things out and see what we think about them. So, hope to see you next time on Crazy Dave's Crew Try It Tuesdays. Thanks so much.